Imagine this, you're a small business owner and you're trying to keep up with the demands of your customers. You know that providing excellent customer service is key to keeping your customers happy and coming back for more. But you're struggling to keep up with all the inquiries and support requests coming in. What if I told you there's a way to streamline your customer service and sales without the need for human intervention? Hey, my name is Jessica and welcome to our channel All in AI. Today in this video we will be discussing how Chat GPT can streamline your customer service and sales. So make sure you stay to the end of the video so you can implement Chat GPT in your life or business. That's where Chat GPT comes in. Chat GPT is a language model developed by OpenAI that uses deep learning techniques to generate human-like text. It's like having a virtual assistant that can handle customer inquiries and support 24/7. Without the need for human intervention. Pretty cool, right? Let's take a closer look at how Chat GPT can benefit your small business. First and foremost, Chat GPT is available 24/7, which means your customers can get help and support anytime, anywhere. This can improve their satisfaction and loyalty to your brand. But that's not all. Chat GPT can also provide personalized responses to customer inquiries and support, based on their preferences and history. This can make them feel valued and heard, and improve their overall experience with your business. And let's not forget about efficiency. Chat GPT can handle multiple inquiries and support requests simultaneously, without getting tired or overwhelmed. This can free up your human resources to focus on other tasks, making your business more productive and efficient. But it's not just about customer service. Chat GPT can also assist with sales inquiries, such as product recommendations, cross-selling, and upselling. This can improve your sales conversion rates and revenue. So, what's in it for the future of Chat GPT for customer service and sales? Well, it's expected to integrate with other AI technologies, such as computer vision and speech recognition, to provide a more personalized and contextualized customer experience. It's also expected to become more accurate and generate more coherent and human-like text, reducing the risk of miscommunication. In conclusion, Chat GPT is a powerful tool that can streamline your customer service and sales, making your business more efficient and productive. It's like having a virtual assistant that never sleeps and is always ready to help your customers. So why not give it a try and see how it can benefit your small business? Please leave a like, share to anyone that wants to know about AI and Chat GPT. Also, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.